everyone, welcome to Lipstick on a Rig. Today we are going to be making a slip stitch. So I'm going to begin that by chaining a few chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to just go ahead and skip that first chain and go right into my second chain. And what I'm doing is I'm going over or under both loops of that V, and I'm going to yarn over and pull through all loops on my hook. Just like that. And that's one slip stitch. Let's try it again. We're going to go through both loops of our V, yarn over, and pull through all loops on our hook. Alright, last time. We're going to go through both loops of our V, we're going to yarn over, and we are going to pull through all loops on our hook. So that is how you form the slip stitch. Please let me know in the comments below if you had any issues while you were trying to do this, and I will do my best to get back to you as soon as possible. If this video helps you, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel, Lipstick on a Rig. Thank you so much for watching and have a wonderful day.